Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will going to create one Python project using SMTP module, and basically this project is related to how should we attach the data frame as a attachment to the email and send to the multiple user. Okay, so what I have done initially, I have created one credential file separately, so you guys cannot see my credential. So basically this is a dictionary like structure, and in dictionary in key we store the our name and values our actual credential. So you can see here from email I am using the from email, same SMTP server, SMTP port, username and password I am importing from the dictionary. Okay, after that I am importing some of the module which is SMTP lib, pandas, uh, mine multipart. Okay, after that mime text and mime application. Basically mime multipart module is used to create the message object. Okay, next mime text is used to creating the body, and mime application is used to create the means actually it is used to attach the HTML. So first thing is that we need to create a message object. So I am writing a message is equal to mime multipart. So here our message object got created. After that what I need to do, I need to do attach the our message as a form over and inform our from email. You can say same for the to message to, and for which we are going to send email, so to email. Here I am writing to email. Next one is the our message subject. Here means here I am writing only our subject, but you can write the actual title here, and then this become the title of your email. Okay, here I am writing just your subject. Okay, so here we have created the message as an object and assign multiple values to this object. Next one is that we need to create the uh, you can say that message body, means in message body what we need to type. So here I am going to use this module, which is means first I am creating only our body text. Email text is equal to this is the email body text, and after that I am going to use mime text module. Okay, and this module is used to create the body of our email, you can say. Next one is the I need to attach the data frame. So here I am going to use the EMME application module. So here I am creating the data frame, and this data frame I am using as a CSV file. So I have one credential which file is it's I think a credit card details, credit details, you can say. So here I need to pass the actual path of this file. So I kept this file in email SMTP and credit card clients.csv. Okay, when I am actually I want to see this is I have any data into this feed or not. So I am printing these things. So you can see that in this data frame there are approximately 3000 rows and 20 columns, you can say. So so here I have created the data frame, so I need to convert it into the attachment. Okay, so how I am going to create this? So here first thing I need to convert it into the to CSV format. So I am writing df CSV. So here I am writing df CSV is equal to our data frame dot to CSV index is equal to false. I need to keep here. After that I am using the our MIME application module, which is helping us to uh, uh, attaching this file to our email. So I have stored this object into df attachment. So and after that I am giving the name to this file. So I am giving to this file name as a credit details, you can say. Okay, in add header section we need to provide these details: actual file name or attachment and its content disposition, you can say. Then over after that what I am going to do, initially we have created the message object, so I am attaching this df attachment to our object. For that I am writing message dot attach and I will pass df attachment here. And here actually our after that we need to use our SMTP modules to connect to the SMTP server and send the mail. So here I am using with SMTP, which is the model we have imported already, SMTP lib dot SMTP. Then here I need to pass our SMTP server and its port. Okay, as a server I can write. Then after that I am using server dot start ls command. Okay, then I am after that I need to pass this our servers our username and password for the login. Okay, so here I am passing the username and our password. After that we directly send server.send. Use the server.send method, send mail method. So what SMTP lib module do? So it will means login to take our SMTP credential and login by using this credential and send the mail, which we, and all the details we have created with for this is in the message object. And for the attachment I need to pass in send mail message dot as a string. Okay, so let me run this code firstly so you can see our code is working or not. So I am executing this code. So I am just changing my email first. So means I just want to check on to the my current email. It's means I get any email or not. So I have changed this. Okay, now I am executing this code. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes, so it might be take some time for the execution. So our code is executed properly. It doesn't give any error to us. So I think our mail is sent to the respective email ID. So we will going to check this. So here I am checking my email account. So you guys can see here I received one email and attachment is also present here. So our code is working fine. So basically friends, this is the small automation project which take the data from our Dataframe and send to the respective user by using the SMTP module. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.